A is for airship, airship, airship. A floating giant in the sky, drifting softly way up high. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer, bulldozer. Pushing dirt and rocks away, making roads and clearing the way. C is for camper van, camper van, camper van, camper van. A cozy home on wheels so bright, traveling far day and night. D is for drone, 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 flying high with a buzzing sound, taking pictures all around, round. E is for engine, engine, engine. Powering cars, boats and planes, making them go again and again. F is for forklift, forklift, forklift. Lifting boxes high and tall, carrying loads with strength for all. G is for go-kart, go-kart, go-kart. Zooming fast on a racing track, speeding forward, never back. H is for hoverboard, hoverboard, hoverboard. Gliding smoothly left and right, balancing well and feeling light. I is for ice cream van, Q, ice cream van, ice cream van, ice cream van. Bringing treats so cold and sweet, ringing bells on every street. J is for jet ski, yeah, jet ski, jet ski, jet ski. Jumping waves with splashes high, racing fast beneath the sky. K is for kite buggy, kite buggy, kite buggy. Rolling fast on sand so free, pulled by wind across the sea. L is for loader, la loader, loader. Scooping up the dirt so high, moving soil with a strong supply. M is for moped, mama moped, moped. A little bike that's fast and neat, zooming past on busy streets. N is for night train, night train, night train. Rolling softly through the night, lights are shining, what a sight. O is for open top bus, open top bus, open top bus. Riding high, the view so grand, touring city sky so span. P is for paraglider, paraglider, paraglider. Flying smooth on wings so bright, gliding softly left and right. Q is for quad bike, quad bike, quad bike. Rolling fast on hills so steep, bouncing up and down we leap. R is for rowboat, rowboat, rowboat. Paddling softly through the lake, gliding past with no mistake. S is for snowmobile, 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 snowmobile. Dashing fast through ice and snow, leaving trails wherever we go. T is for tugboat, tugboat, tugboat. Pulling ships with strength so strong, helping them to float along. U is for utility vehicle, yeah, ooh, what utility vehicle, utility vehicle. Helping workers on the street, keeping cities nice and neat. V is for velomobile, velomobile, velomobile. Pedaling fast, a bike so cool, riding smooth just like a jewel. W's for windsurfer, wah, windsurfer, windsurfer, windsurfer. Riding waves with wind so strong, gliding fast the whole day long. X is for X-wing glider, hop, X-wing glider, X-wing glider. Soaring high above the land, flying free so smooth and grand. I's for yacht, yacht, sail. Y is for yacht, yacht. Sailing smooth on waves so free, drifting softly on the sea. Z is for Zorb